I started cutting a hole with this step drill. It's the Warrior, but I also have the Bauer. Both of them are from Harbor Freight. Let's see how they cut. First up is the Warrior. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm giving them both an advantage with the metal cutting tool wax. Probably big enough. How far did it go in? 7/16. All right. All right, don't forget the wax. Oh, that's a little bit extra. Well, this is the Bauer, black one. Oh, there's the size there. So I think I'm at the 7/16. All right, the Warrior is titanium coated. It did okay. Not too bad for a freebie. It was a freebie when I was walking out the door. The Bauer, though, is the definite winner. It's high-speed steel, no titanium coating, but it cruised through it, I think, 6 seconds faster than the Warrior. So definitely gonna just pay, I think they're about the same 10 bucks. Well, this one is a freebie, but normally it's about 8 or 10 bucks for the set. So Bauer's the winner.